All right. So a question I've been getting a lot is how do I use Twitch? So if you're a streamer and you're trying to get all these people to watch your Twitch, you're trying to get all these people to get on Twitch and use it, and like these people are just creating accounts just to support you. They don't know how to use Twitch. They don't know what channel points are. They don't know subscriptions, bits, hundreds of different things. So many things that they can interact with and interact with your stream. They don't know how interactive a stream could be. And I don't think there's much videos on how to use Twitch. And I know for a lot of people that use Twitch, that's like a common know-how knowledge for you, but not for everybody. So what I want to do today is kind of go through a lot of the cool stuff that you can do on Twitch as a viewer. All right, so when you come into Twitch, this is what you're opened up to. Obviously, you have a wide variety of different streamers that could be trending right now, or games that you watch primarily, and then trying to promote smaller streamers. Now, if we go over here, we will find let's just pick a random streamer. I'm going to go with Choco Taco here. So we go to streamer here, and you'll see people will redeem certain things, and I will show you what they do. So this is your channel points. Choco Taco here has it called tacos. Now, if we go to a different streamer, this is now called Pokepoints for Pokemon with a different character on it. They do the same thing, they are just customizable. So let's go back to Choco Taco. And primarily, if you're dealing with a newer streamer, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the 300, or not even 300. You're just gonna see that bubble there, and they're gonna be called channel points. These channel points you get by simply watching the stream. The longer you watch the stream, the more you accumulate these points, which then could be redeemed. So for Choco Taco here, he has unlock a random sub emote, choose an emote to unlock probably, and modify a single emote. So these are all different things that you can unlock for completely free. And that, like I said, all you have to do is watch the channel. Now, if you run low on them and you want to get your channel points refilled a little quicker, then you can send bits. Now, bits over here, oh, you can't really see it, but it's a diamond shaped. It's our diamond shaped greatness right here. So that is another way that you can support a streamer. You click on those bits over there. I'll show you and this costs money, but this is basically a way to donate in a fun way to the streamer. Each one's about a penny, so 100 would be $1, 1,000 would be $10, that would be $50, that would be $100, and you can customize your own to how you see fit. If you wanted to do like 2,500, you can do that. If you wanted to do 50, you could do that. And that is your bits. A subscription, you can buy one for yourself where it says subscribe here, or you can gift subs. So this will let you buy subscriptions for anyone else who consistently watches Choco Taco. So it is going to go to if you wanted to buy 100, it'll go to 100 random people. If you wanted to give to someone specifically, you can hit gift a specific viewer. And if you don't really want the attention of gifting, you can just gift anonymously. So that way, if you don't like to be caught on the spot, maybe you don't want your tag to be named, hey, this guy, thank you so much for the gifted sub. Maybe you just want to be anonymous and do it. You can do it anonymously. Now, with that being said, there's also tiers. You have 1, 2, and 3 tiers. So each tier, for newer streamers, if they are affiliates, they'll have these options. If they're not affiliates, they're just gonna have they won't even have channel points. You really can't do much on it, but let's say they are an affiliate. You have tier 2, tier 3 gifts, and this will just unlock more stuff and show more support. And you can do this, you can customize your gift, and when you send the gift, it'll show whatever of these emotes that you want to show on the stream. And that's a great way to support your streamer that you watch. So let's say you want to give 40 subs out and he only has 10 viewers, the other 30 subs will go to random people who have the same interests of the game that you watch or the game that that streamer is currently playing. So that way it also pushes, other people into joining the stream and saying, hey, here's a free $5 gifted sub for me. Come check out this channel. So it's a great way to spread the word of your favorite streamer or a new streamer that you just want to support. Now, these are things you can do across the board. Now, if we go into an about, you see he has donate, his Instagram, his Twitter, YouTube schedule, subscribe, Discord, and his PC specs. Donate is a major thing you can do too. All profits for donations go straight to the streamer, and it'll, like I said, he'll collect all of it. When you subscribe, 50% of profits goes to the streamer. Bits, I can't remember how much profit goes to the streamer, but the best way to support your streamer is to hit that donate button there and then send him PayPal $10. It'll still come up on the stream. He keeps all the profits, and it's just a great way to let them know that you're there for them, Another thing that you can see on people's channels, such as my own, I'm offline right now, so there's not much you can see, but you will see certain things like Pokemon or these weird HUD effects. Now, some channels have these special things you can do where, let's say if you do want to give someone 100 bits, you can jump scare me and it'll overlay my screen. If you're in my stream and, want to get the chat, break the ice, Pokemon will randomly spawn in the chat and you can catch them with your Pokeballs. And then when I am live, you can also use the stream avatars and customize your stream avatar after you've followed and commented. These are all great ways to keep your community happy, even when you're having an off day and you can't supply the content that you want to supply, but you're following your schedule. This here is the bread and butter, and this is called panels, which is what I was showing you earlier with the donate button. So if you ever see this on the phone, it'll be a lot more condensed, but under it will say about. You click the about and then all this will pop up, or it'll show up on the side here of your stream or under the stream down here where it shows little boxes that look like this little Pokemon thing and the HUD effects. Stream avatars, I'm not sure if it pops up. I think stream avatars pops up on the phone, but HUD effects does not. But on mine, I have them called blippies. And if you click these, you can use the HUD effects with your blippies and just kind of mess with me as much as you want. And people love to do it. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. Then we have my socials, my schedule, the subscribe, giving you a reason to subscribe, Discord, chat rules, specs, my designer who helped me create a lot of these panels for me, and the overlays. But that is basically the know-how of getting started with Twitch. I'm sure I could have gone into depth a lot more, but as far as starting goes, that's really what you want to. Now, knowing this stuff is very important, especially for new people on Twitch. Like, you need to know that every view counts. Like, going from 1 viewer to 5 viewers is a major up. Like, you're already a quarter of the way up the panel for when it shows highest to lowest viewers. So if you have a mom, a dad, a sister, a cousin, or just a close friend that wants to support your channel but has never used Twitch, this is a way to get them started and to have them understand what they're doing on Twitch. So I thought this would help. This is Chaotic TV. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions and if you want to see a video of how to do it on the phone, please feel free to reach out to me. Just comment under and I'll create another one. Thank you for your time. Thank you for wanting to learn how to use Twitch, and send to a friend so that way they know how to use Twitch. So when they do come into your stream, they're coming with confidence and they can, share with another friend and they can show them how to use Twitch. Thank you, and have a good night. Have a good day wherever you're at.